Hello all, in this video I'm going to show you the Shimano SPD pedals M540 and the Shimano mountain bike shoe, the RX-8 or the RX-800. So I did open the shoe box just a couple of minutes ago, but I haven't opened this yet. So yeah, this is the shoe, the RX-8. So it comes with the carbon sole, and this is a mountain bike shoe. It has this grip, so you can walk without damaging your pedal lock. So it has that boa, the precision fitness. So to tighten it, there's an arrow here. And just do it. So this is already tight, and to loosen it up you can just rotate it the other way and you can just pull this, so it gets loose. And if you want to like loosen it at once, just pull this and then just pull this. Yeah, and to engage it again, just push and then again. Yeah, so now it's tight. Yeah, they have given a Velcro. I think they maybe could have omitted it, and maybe it would make the shoe even lighter, but they did include it. Yeah, they could have just extended it here or something, and just this lock system without this Velcro. But I've seen many brands, they are giving the Velcro. So yeah, that's one thing. So this is the sole. Remove that. Let's see how that is. Okay, so they have given this extra. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here it's written 42, 43 left mid. So I think they have given a different one here. Yeah, it's high. Yeah. So you can maybe remove this and attach this. Okay. What else? Okay, they have given this dial-in precision fit, and they've mentioned how BOA works, which I just showed you now. Oh my god, there's a manual. Oh, okay, yeah, how to fit the pedal. Okay, that's good. To give you an idea of the quality, this is the sole. This shoe looks cleaner for some reason than the other one, so I'm going to show you this one. Yeah, this is how the inside of the shoe looks like after removing this. Quality is quite nice. Yeah, and it has cushion here, so it won't hurt your feet. Yeah. I'll put on the link for which website I've ordered. So the price on that website was great. It was way less compared to other websites, so I went with it. And the delivery didn't take more than like 4 or 5 days, if I'm not wrong. And I ordered these two, but I'm going to place another order for many other things like gloves and head protection and all that. So yeah, let's try this. So I went with this silver pedals because that's what was available or on stock. The black one was not on stock. Oh. Yeah, use only Shimano cleats. So the cleats, so this come with cleats here. So you fit that underneath this, and then yeah. So I went with the mountain bike shoe and this pedal because yeah, one thing is both side. I can use it both side, unlike the road bike pedals, and then I can walk with this shoe. So those were the two main reasons I went with this. So as a beginner, it would be easy. So this would be my first time I'm using a clipless pedal. Earlier I didn't. So that bike which you're seeing at the background, that's not mine, by the way. So that's my wife's. So I have a road bike, but I would still be using this pedal on my bike. Yeah, maybe if I like it, I'll get another one for this hybrid bike as well. Because I sometimes use this bike for gravel riding. Yeah, I don't think my road bike there. Yeah, this is all we get from the M540. I don't have my scissors. I'll do another video and review, and I'll just share how I feel like after using this, coming from a normal pedal to a clipless pedal. Yep. My hands are full of grease. Okay. So yeah, it's a short video. I hope it gives you an idea of the quality and what we get in the box. See you soon in the next one. Oh.